out as well with timing. You had some good sun.
Yeah, I think that's the most important thing, that you have visibility. Like the snow can always be tricky in different places, but as long as you have good visibility, and I think all the riders had really good visibility today. So, yeah.
Well, we had one public question that referred to what is your best asset? Is it going to be free ride, or is it going to be purely freestyle, or purely free ride up here? What's going to help?
It's going to be free ride. I'm working on the freestyle part, but free ride is my specialty.
Great, thank you. All right, back to you guys. Thank you much.
All right, thank you, Mike. Always interesting to hear from Mike down at the finish line. And yep, just when you thought it was over, it's not, because the madman, Ivan Mad Malakhov, is still up in the start gate, and there might even be another rider behind him too, but the start list has been playing games with me today, because as far as I'm concerned, Juan Vergata still has to drop in. But Mad Malakhov is now on course, the Russian wild card.
Heading to the skiers left of the face, all the way skiers left, jumping huge in the very top part of the face. There is not much snow cover on that part, so I'm happy that he didn't hook up on rocks. Now he's on the far skiers left. No one else skied there. You see fresh tracks in front of him.
That's one thing, we never know what to expect from.
And another huge jump, and I think it's exactly the same jump he did last year. He went over to the venue, to the venue of last season, and he crashed. He had some revenge to do. He crashed badly on that jump last season, and this time it was perfectly executed. He's going for another big feature here, you can tell. Unluckily, he's hesitating a little bit, which will reduce his score a little.
Still good jump, a little bit of a back slap.
Ooh,
no, he controlled it.
Finishing off well.
That could have been dangerous.
Yes.
And let me correct myself. He was a wild card 2 years ago, and then didn't re-qualify last year, but went and did the Freeride World qualifying events and re-qualified through our qualification tour.
Here we have pretty decent, very big jump on the top where it's super shallow. You see him backseat because he's afraid of hitting rocks. Here again, there is so narrow margin, or few margin, to hit those landings. Here, a full-on nose, a pop in this takeoff that sent him way down this couloir.
Well, the judges liked it. There's a lot of green there from Mad Malakhov. And no, we didn't make up the nickname. That's from his rider's bio. He put that down.
Yeah. And he owned it on the qualifier series, Mad Malakhov.
Yes. So once again, wild card onto tour in 2015, did not re-qualify directly through the Freeride World Tour, but through the Freeride World Qualifiers for the Europe Oceania region. And he's back with us, and we're happy to have him, because he is always, he's a surprise package.
Oh, yes.
It's
not over till he's coming.
You just never know what he's going to do. And we love that. Keeps it interesting. Keeps us on our feet.
He definitely has a big smile on his face. You can see the judges on the screen reviewing the last run of Mad Malakhov. And we're gonna wait for a few minutes till we get final scores. It was a really good run of Mad Malakhov. Even decided to go all the way skiers left. We haven't seen anyone going further to skiers left. Actually, he even skied parts that were open last year, and he re-jumped, redone
well, as you said,
cliff
yeah.
that he's done last year.
He had some issues with this face that needed to be taken care of.
He actually exploded last year. Both skis came off and he exploded. But this year, he, oh yeah. And this year he made it. The revenge is his.
The revenge of Mad Malakhov. I love it. So the judges just having one last look at that run from Ivan Malakhov, the 36-year-old out of Smolensk, Russia. And there's our current leader, Christopher Chodel. And I don't think it will be any surprise if we confirm what Mike said earlier, is that this young man has won the contest.
A new face, new leader, and new winner.
Oh, fantastic, the Swedish rookie. Once again, great day for Sweden on the podium in 3 of our 4 categories. Not bad at all. Way to go, the Swedes. And of course, we'll have a full wrap. Okay, scores are in. Yeah, the judges loved it. You can see he's stoked. There it is. 86.62. And third place. They loved the big jumps. They loved the creativity.
Yes.
And he is fired up. That's the result of a lifetime for Ivan Malakhov. First ever podium. You'd think he'd won the world tour with that kind of reaction. Gotta love it.
So he got the score a little earlier than the screen.
That's all good.
Oh, he's loving it. Well deserved. What a line.
Okay, so there is our winner, ski man Christopher Chodel out of Sweden.
And how dry and reserved was that interview?